LG, and I'd like to show you a little bit about what LG Smart TV has to offer.
Okay.
Of course, you can do that with the Magic Remote. And
this is what you call the Magic?
The Magic Remote. And it's
why is it magic?
Because it's voice sensitive.
Can you make rabbits come out of...
Yeah,
no.
and...
Alright, so go ahead.
And basically you can just...
so I'm seeing you're moving the Magic Remote, and I see a cursor move on the screen here.
It's motion sensor.
Right.
We have over 400 plus apps that's paid and free.
Right.
And these are what you call cards. We have the premium cards, and in the premium content you can actually browse through Twitter and all the other channels
Right.
possibly have.
So you can also install
an internet connection.
Right. You can. I believe you can also install Skype, right? You have
Yes, and you can talk to your loved ones, not just here in the Philippines.
So
but all over
does this version of the Smart TV always have the camera? I see the camera up here.
Yes, it does.
So when you buy the TV, it does have the camera on it.
Yes, it's true.
Okay.
So I want to show you the wonders of this PenTouch, and we could click right through here. Click it again. And we go to the sketchbook app. And it has different...
Okay. So it's like a sketchbook on your TV.
Yes, that's right.
So it's gonna be very popular with kids who wanna draw their mommies and
they can draw it here instead.
Okay.
Right?
A lot of cleaner walls then. Right. I saw somebody draw like heart shapes or star shapes. Was that?
You can create.
Oh, awesome.
We have triangle.
So I have to ask, is this can you touch it with your finger? No, it can't.
No, you can't.
All right.
So it's impossible to do that without.
Right. Okay. So how many pens do you get for this TV?
It's actually sold separately.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't get one pen?
Well, if they give me one.
All right. Probably.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna create a clean slate. And you wanted me to, right?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So how much is this version, and when is it available or something like that, stuff like that?
I would be glad to email it to you.
All right. That's good enough. Thank you. All right.